Here's a hint. I'm not sure if I showed this before, but here's a hint to something that should be coming in the mail soon. I'm about to run a couple errands. Oh. Here we go. And then type our Recaros. Let's see it. And it has a K-tune shifter. I wonder if this thing is like swapped or something. Yeah, this thing is nice. No intercooler, but it definitely has some good mods, and it has Type R Recaros. So those look really good. I actually always liked Integras. Like, if I ever owned a Honda, like a front-wheel drive Honda, I'd probably own an Integra. I'd probably do the Japanese front end, but yeah, I love these things because they're so like sporty and small and lightweight, and just the way they look, you can make these things look insanely good. So yeah, I always loved Integra. Now I'm gonna update you guys on a couple things that's happened lately. A couple updates on, actually, just give me a second. All right, so yesterday I got in contact with the people who I bought my parts from. So KBD and carbon fiber hoods, or Duraflex, whatever it's called. So yeah, everything got shipped out last night. So I should be getting everything between like Monday and Tuesday. So it's not even a week, because what do you call it? So import face off is 50 days from today, and today is the 28th. So I have 50 days. That may seem like a lot of time, but it's really not, because I'll get the parts Monday. That means it's like 46 days. If even that, 44, maybe even 44. And then I have to put all the stuff on and get everything finally test fitted, finally cut the rest of the fenders, and then remount everything, wet sand it, prime it, sand it again, then get everything ready for, I'm going to do the over fenders the same color as the car, but then I'm going to dip the whole car. So it's a lot of work. And then I also have more parts to pick up this weekend. Hopefully Sunday, I may be picking up something pretty cool. Couple things, actually. So yeah, I'm trying to go hard and get all the parts and get everything ready for IFO. And I'm also dropping off the car either today or tomorrow to get the alternator done. So after that, it's going to be just video after video, part after part, getting it done, recording my boys build their cars and do everything like that. And then basically by the time all the content's done, it'll be 50 days past and we're out to IFO. Like, it's really not a lot of time. So you guys know when it's show season, it's crunch time, especially because those car guys do everything last minute. So you know how it goes. It's grind mode, grind time, time to get our stuff together and get stuff ready for the show. So yeah. Sponsored by 6-Speed. So there's going to be a couple 6-Speed parts on the car. So that's actually something pretty interesting that I should have mentioned in the very beginning. So you're going to have some sponsored content by 6-Speed, which is awesome. I love a lot of the stuff that they have. So I definitely can't wait for that. And we're at, right, so Z is there and it's going to be getting worked on, and I'll probably be picking it up tomorrow. Well, I didn't expect them to be done so quick, but they did the alternator, and it looks as if everything is a little better. Granted, the things seem to have been doing a little better as I started to drive up there, but it doesn't look like I'm having the alternator spike anymore. So, I mean, the voltage spike. So, hopefully, it stays like this, and yeah. So they put power steering fluid in. I know that there's like a crack in the hose or the power steering pump, so I'm gonna see how long power steering lasts. But this actually is pretty nice. I actually like power steering. Well, that's a stupid thing to say, but I really do like it with power steering. It feels so much better. So I'll probably look into getting the power steering rack fixed or whatever it is, depending on how long it takes for it to actually leak out. If there is a leak, because I never actually looked into it, but yeah. Okay, so I'm back home now. The car feels really good. Like, this is probably the best the car feels to drive, has felt to drive, however you say it, since I got it. Yeah. Yeah. So, sounds good. Feels good. And there's power steering fluid in there, but I'm not sure how long that's going to last. So, we're just going to have to back the car up maybe in a couple hours and see what's dropped. But, I mean, yeah, if anything, if it takes quite a while, then I'm just actually going to keep buying power steering fluid and filling it up whenever. But yeah, it feels really, really good with power steering. So yeah. Can we just take a second to admire the beautiful profile of an aired out Widebody 350Z? I want y'all to do this because the car is going to look a little different very, very soon. So it's just like taking the sight, because it looks good now, but it's going to look so much better really, really soon. There's a bunch of stuff that's going to change. So it's just like, boy. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, share it with your friends. Do whatever you want to do with the video. And stay tuned for a whole lot more.